Hello students, good morning and Jai Swaminarayan to all of you. Today I want to continue our grammar topic active and passive voice. In my last period, I taught simple present tense, how to change into passive voice of a simple present tense. Now I will discuss about simple past tense. So friends, first of you have to know about the to be form of simple past tense. So which are the to be form of simple past tense? You know, was and were. Was and were is the to be form of past tense. So here I have written structure of a simple past tense. In simple past tense, first of subject, then after second form of the verb, object and other verb. But if you want to change into passive voice, then what will come first? First off, you have to put object, and according to object you have to put was verb. Then after you have to put third form of the verb, and by subject and other verb. So here example is given. I saw a monkey yesterday. So first off, we have to find object from the sentence. So what is the object from this sentence? You know, I saw a monkey yesterday. So here, monkey is an object. A monkey is object. I is subject. Saw is second form of the verb. The main verb is see. See, saw, seen. Yesterday is other verb. So first off, we have to put object a monkey. So a monkey. Then after to be formed of past tense, a monkey with a monkey, singular noun. That's why what will come here? Was. If the noun is object is plural, then plural verb. But if object is singular, then which verb will come? Was. But if object is plural, then verb. So a monkey was. Third form of the verb. See, saw, seen. A monkey was seen. Then after by. Then after subject. Subject is given pronoun. Subjective pronoun. So it will be changed into objective pronoun me. By me yesterday. Okay friends, a monkey was seen by me yesterday. Then after second sentence, my dishonest servant cheated me. Here second form of the verb cheated. Servant. My dishonest servant. ये पूरा subject है. My dishonest servant is a subject. We too cheated and me is an object. Object में objective pronoun दिया. क्या दिया? Object में objective pronoun. So objective pronoun will be changed into subjective pronoun. Objective pronoun will be changed into subjective pronoun. So me is changed. Me will be changed into I. So with I, which verb will come? Watch. So I watch cheated by my dishonest servant. Subject is my dishonest servant. I was cheated by my dishonest servant. Understand everybody? Next question. Mr. Joshi did not like dogs. Mr. Joshi subject, negative sentence है, verb. When negative sentence will come, then which word will come first? First form of the verb. Dogs is a object, plural noun. Mr. Joshi did not like dogs. दोस्तों यहाँ पे did क्यों आया? Because it's a negative sentence, and generally you know when we make a negative sentence of a simple past tense, then we use a helping verb did not. So here did not, that's why first form of the verb will come here. Okay, so dogs is an object. So dogs with dogs plural verb. Dogs were negative sentence, that's why not. Dogs were not. Third form of the liked by Mr. Joshi. Okay, first up you have to find object from the sentence. So dogs is an object. Dogs is object. With dogs, which verb will come? Plural verb. So dogs were negative sentence, that's why not. Third form of the verb liked by Mr. Joshi. So dogs were not liked by Mr. Joshi. Now it's an interrogative sentence. Did they eat the fruits? So the fruits, and they is subject, eat B1. The fruits is an object. The fruits is object. So in interrogative sentence, first up you have to put was verb. So here fruits, that's why were the fruits. Were the fruits. Third form of the eat at eaten. Were the fruits eaten by, they will become change into them. Were the fruits eaten by them? Question mark. Were the fruits eaten by them? Okay. Now WH question. Where did Mayank learn maths? Where did Mayank learn maths? So first up you have to put WH word. Then after find an object from the sentence. So where did Mayank learn maths? So maths is an object. So with object you have to put was verb. So where was maths? Third form of the learned, Learnt. Where was maths learnt by Mayank? Where was maths learnt by Mayank? Okay. How did Nikunj get the first rank? How did Nikunj get the first rank? So here the first rank is an object. Here verb is get, Nikunj is subject. Then so first up you have to put a WH word how. With how you have to put was verb according to object, the first rank. So how was the first rank? How was the first rank? How was the first rank? Got. How was the first rank got by Nikunj? Okay friends, then after question, last sentence, who broke the pen yesterday? The sentence start from who, that's why we have to put by whom. First up you have to put by whom, because in this sentence subject is not given. Subject will be not given in the sentence which start from who. अगर who से start होता है इस सेंटेंस में, सब्जेक्ट होता नहीं है, इसलिए हम पैसिव करते हैं तब बाय whom पहले रखते हैं. By whom, then after according to object you have to put was verb. The pen. By whom was the pen broken? By whom was the pen broken yesterday? By whom was the pen broken yesterday? Okay, question mark. So friends, here we have completed the passive voice of a simple past tense. Okay, so here we will see the simple future tense, the passive voice of simple future tense, and with modal auxiliary also. With modal auxiliary also, because the same structure will become with a modal auxiliary and simple future tense. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस और मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी का पैसिव का स्ट्रक्चर सेम है, तो हम दोनों साथ में सीखते हैं. ओके दोस्तों, तो यहाँ पे हम पहला सेंटेंस रखते हैं. देखो, इन सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस पे पहले सब्जेक्ट, देन आफ्टर शैल, विल, V1 ऑब्जेक्ट एंड अदर वर्ड्स आएगा. But if you want to change into passive voice, then what will come here? First object, then after shall will, then after be plus V3 by subject and other word. If any modal auxiliary comes in the sentence, अगर मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी का सेंटेंस है कोई, तो शैल विल की जगह कोई भी मॉडल मस्ट हो, शुड हो, विथ शुड या मस्ट, देन आफ्टर बी, देन आफ्टर थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब बाय सब्जेक्ट एंड अदर वर्ड्स. ओके, सो इट्स द सेम प्रोसेस, सेम स्ट्रक्चर फॉर मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी. मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी के साथ भी ये सेम स्ट्रक्चर आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Rahul will draw a picture tomorrow. Rahul will draw a picture tomorrow. So, if you want to change it to passive voice, so first up you have to find object from the sentence, a picture. So, a picture will be, will के साथ भी, a picture will be third form of the drawn. A picture will be drawn by Rahul tomorrow. Okay friends, a picture will be drawn by Rahul tomorrow. A negative sentence, we shall not visit the Taj Mahal tomorrow. We shall not visit the Taj Mahal tomorrow. Okay, we shall not visit the Taj Mahal tomorrow. So first up we have to find the object, the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal will, then after negative sentence to not be visited. The Taj Mahal will not be visited by us tomorrow. देखो दोस्तों यहाँ पे द ताजमहल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, देन आफ्टर विल सेल, ओके, देन आफ्टर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस दैट्स आर नॉट, बी प्लस V3, बी प्लस V3, तो बी एंड विजिटेड V3 बाय, वी विल बी चेंज इनटू ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन अस, सो बाय अस टुमारो. ओके, नाउ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, will you celebrate Uttaran in school? Will you celebrate Uttarayan in school? So first off you have to put shall will according to object Uttarayan, that's why will, and then after object, so will Uttarayan be celebrated in school? Will Uttarayan be celebrated in school? First up you have to put will shall according to object, then after object be plus V3, then after other words and question mark. Okay friends, now okay, will Uttarayan be celebrated, okay, by, subject is given, that's why by you in school, by you is given, subject is given, that's why by you. So will Uttarayan be celebrated by you in school? Then after WH word, okay, WH word, when will Darshan finish it? When will Darshan finish it? Okay, so first up you have to put WH word when, then after according to object, object क्या है? It. So when will it, be finished, third form of the verb, be finished by Darshan. Subject is given. So when will it be finished by Darshan? Then after who wala? Then after the question will start from who. Who will bring the dinner? Who will bring the dinner? तो आपको बताया था कि हु से स्टार्ट होता है क्वेश्चन में, सब्जेक्ट नहीं दिया, सब्जेक्ट इज नॉट गिवन, दैट्स व्हाई बाय whom, देन आफ्टर विल सेड, सो द डिनर इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट विल, बाय whom will the dinner be brought, by whom will the dinner be brought. So friends, here we have completed also simple future tense, the passive voice of simple future tense. अगर आपको यहाँ पे कोई ऑक्सिलरी मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी दिया है तो भी हम ऐसे ही तरीके से करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we should follow the traffic rules. We should follow the traffic rules. So the traffic rules is an object. The traffic rules should be followed by us. The traffic rules should be followed by us. तो दोस्तों ऐसे तरीके से हम मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी का भी यही स्ट्रक्चर से हम पैसिव करेंगे. ओके, so we should follow the traffic rules. The traffic rules is an object. The traffic rules should be followed by us. Subject is we, so it will be changed to us. The traffic rules should be followed by us. So here we have completed simple future tense also. So we will continue this chapter in our next video. Jai Swaminarayan.